Hello everyone and welcome back here on this fast market update. It's an overall market update. Let me know if the camera bothers you. Anyway, we start with S&Px. We can see that S&Px is in the long term. We watch the weekly charts here. In the long run, it's still bearish. You still have to break this trend line right here. For all these assets, for all these indices right here, we have the same situation where we were overextended, a lot overextended, and still we are seeing this kind of downturn and waiting for these indexes to break their trend lines. Also, Dow Jones is in the same situation, even if it is already bottoming on its last all-time high. Even I don't know if it's a bottom, but we'll see. Probably we'll have a little bit more of a downturn. We'll retest this area. Anyway, VIX is the actual volatility sentiment in the of S&Px options. So still a little bit less higher than the 30s we were in last week. So a little bit less of fear in the market, but still a little bit higher of what we want. The XY, it's in a different situation right here. It's still bullish, and we have the support right here. We're waiting to break down again. And this is also because we are having a lot of interest rates and hikes. Probably they'll talk about 75 bps as a minimum for the next one, so we'll see. I will just skip this stocks for now and getting into US oil. We see that we have the same more or less, but it's a commodity, so a little bit of a different price action right here. Anyway, we were overextended and still we are. We're waiting for it to break this trend line right here. Maybe next 2 or 3 weeks we are waiting it to come down a little bit. If the overall market and the overall movement of goods are good for the price of the US oil, and OPEC keeps their stock increase. Anyway, CFDs on gold, so futures on gold. Gold is in a good situation for this kind of events globally. Is still staying in this area right here, going sideways from a long-term perspective. Still on this range, and we are waiting to break this trend line right here. Also here on the silver, we have a little bit of the same situation, still standing in a range, but we are more on the support, not trying to break like gold all above, but waiting to break down below. So we are more close here to break down and maybe retest some of these areas right here, probably 18, 19. Okay. And I will skip the USD, GP, USD and USD JPY because, as you see, dollar is strong, so every other currency is taking a bit. And for Bitcoin, we have the same price action we had in the last few weeks. This is a fast market update, so an overall and in the midst of the bear market, and we're still waiting there to see if and when we're breaking up to this trend line right here. If we break above, we'll see the next relief rally taking place. If not, not. So we're going for the ETH USD pair, actually seeing the same situation as as Bitcoins, and still waiting for it to break this trend line right here. Still bearish in the medium to long term for the price action of the last 6 months or so. And in the ETH BTC, so you see the relative strength to that as ETH to BTC is still going down, still retesting the lows as a resistance. so we may see a little bit of a downtrend. I think that if we keep going down from here, we're expecting 0.5 or so in the next few weeks. Bitcoin dominance is still going down from last week, even if we had a huge squeeze up since the last downturn. And we're waiting here to see if this support will hold. If not, we'll probably see a little bit more of altcoins pumps better and outperforms Bitcoins and Ethereum as well. And if not, and it is a support, it is retested as a support, we are seeing is maybe retesting the 49.26 or right away there, and seeing all the alts underperform Bitcoin. We'll see if it comes with a pump or dump of Bitcoin itself. Anyway, Ethereum dominance here, still in the same situation. As you see, most of the charts we see today are in the same situation. So here we are, and the ETH still seeing the dominance of ETH going down. We are at 15%. Probably will retest the 13% before trending higher. I don't really know. We are waiting for the next few weeks and seeing what BTC has to say about it. That indexes of the crypto in this moment still more than ever, since we are in bear market. And market cap, others dominance, that is for the altcoins, so no BTC included. It's actually going straight down since the last downturn, but a little bit of an uptrend since the Bitcoin dominance went down, and so went the ETH dominance, and helping so the altcoins to get a little bit more of price appreciations, probably with the pair with Bitcoins, since there is this shift in the market right here. And more USDT dominance is overextended at infinite, and we are seeing it. We're testing the top of this channel that is somewhat is a bearish pattern, but still we are retesting it because we are in a bear market and people are running for safe havens in stable coins, and also USDC that is seeing a lot of dominance taken because of the fact of the last USD and USDT, a little bit of the pegging of any other stable coin, and this USDC is the more safe at the moment. So we'll probably this trend will continue from now on, to see this USDC dominance going up and USDT dominance getting a little bit of a beat in comparison, but at the same time just staying at the same levels probably in the near future if we continue like that. With this shift from USDT to USDC, we'll see USDT maybe get in second place, but we'll see. Anyway, this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you do, subscribe, like, retweet. I'm on Twitter, so you can obviously share everything you want. I'm there too, trying to help you out, so ask me any question you want, and I'll try to cover every single need of you. I just did a new tweet onto one person that asked me about active addresses. So anyway, links are in the description. We'll see you next time. Cheers.